Hi everyone, um, welcome to GMP LIMS and Stability. So I'm going to walk you through each page of the LIMS system and show you a little bit about how things work. So this is the first page that you see once you log in. We have a number of links on the left-hand side here. Basically, um, what you can do when you click companies is you can register and view the companies that are in your LIMS system, and you can add products to each of those companies with specifications and spec revisions, and we'll get into that once we get into those pages. With invite user, you can invite new users to your LIMS system. When you click users, you can see the current users that are registered and what roles they have. I forgot to mention in the invite users, you can assign roles with certain permissions to the user that you're inviting. Uh, if you're an admin, you will see this link, the user roles. By the way, not all of these links are available to everyone. Depending on your role, some of these may not show up. But if you're an admin of the LIMS system, you will see all of these. Um, so user roles are roles that you can define with different permissions and assign them to different users. Products are all the products that are in your LIMS system with their specs and any other sort of information that you want to add on to each product. Active projects are um, once you receive a sample and you want to start a project, this is where all those projects will be listed. The way to kick off a project is to go to the spec page for that product and say start new project, and a project will be created and you can modify it and save it. But once it is saved, you will see it here in the active projects page. Active tests are all the tests associated with the various projects that are active. So a project could have 7 or 8 tests, and there could be 10 projects. So let's say you could have 70, 80 tests going on at the same time. On this page, you can assign tests to different analysts. You can set deadlines. That kind of thing. We'll show you that once we get into that. Quotations are basically a list of all the quotations for the different, um, these are price quotations for the different specs per product. We'll show you that once we get into the quotations section. Invoices are, as it says, invoices for the projects that have been completed. This link you won't see. You can basically scan your barcodes associated with each product if you click this link through a webcam, and it will bring you to the right project page once you scan the barcode. These links here are mainly associated with stability, the stability module. So active, you have certain stability protocols with different time points. So you can define the stability protocol here. And when you click this, you'll see an index of all the active stability protocols. The active time points are the time points associated with the current active stability protocols. Uh, Storages are different rooms or devices, fridges, and so on, where you keep your samples that are going through the stability study. So you can create these storages, name them, and assign them to, or assign samples from the different stability protocols to these storages. So you always know where your samples are in your lab. And here are where you see where those locations are in the stability protocol locations. Delete logs are basically things that have been deleted in your LIMS system. Nothing is actually permanently deleted in here. Everything is soft deleted, which means it's reversible. And that is basically it. Here you can see what roles you've been assigned to, and once you go on any other page other than this landing page, you will see this navigation menu, which is basically a copy of what you see on the left-hand side here. And you don't need to come back to this page to go to a different page. You can just pick a page from here. These links are basically about GMP Limbs Inc. This is the About page. You can contact us if you have any questions or comments or feedback through the contact link down here. And this will take you to our company's website.